what you gonna do with that food? Huh? Huh? Yeah? What you gonna do with the food? Huh? What you gonna do with the food? How about some pillows? Is that better? Why don't you eat your food? Huh? Why would you eat your food? Come on. Eat your food. Come on. It's food. Want food? 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 Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. You're going to actually eat out this cute little bowl? Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. Do you want to eat it? Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Okay. She's not very experienced with eating out of a bowl. I'm going to force you to eat it if you don't eat it right now. I can make it rain on you if you wanted to. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Isn't that good? Eat it. Yo, you can make me kisses. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do. I love you. Thank you for giving me kisses. I love when you give me kisses. Oh, you're so sweet. You gonna give me kisses? Yeah? Give me kisses? Yeah? You're so cute. I love you so much. Hey, you want some food? Yeah? Food? Want some food? No? Oh, I love when you give me kisses. Oh, I love you too when you give me kisses. I love you when you give me kisses. Yes, I do love you. I love when you give me kisses. What, you don't wanna eat it? Oh, you sweet baby, I love you. You don't have to eat the food. I'm not gonna force you. Come here. You're like a warm little chicken, aren't you? You still giving me kisses? Yeah? I love you too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, you sweet baby bird. Oh, I love you too. Yes, I do. Oh. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, I think the food almost fell over. Put that a little to the side. I love you so much. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love you, Gracie. Oh, Gracie, I love you so much. You're my best friend. And that's the only reason why I named you after my true best friend. Or one of them. One out of a lot. Named Grace. Which is why I named you Grace. And you are such a sweet bird. Just as sweet as her. You still giving me kisses? Yeah? I love you so much. Yes, I do love you so much. I know I want you to have as much love as you want. Ow! 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 You don't bite me. I'm sorry if I hurt you. If I scared you, I'm sorry. You can have food if you want. Whoops. Okay, this time I actually spilled it. And there's no more. Let's get you some more. There, you got more in the corner. Do you want some more from the corner? Oh, you do? Okay. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe in the comments down below. Bye!